What's going on, you guys? Alex here with Elevation Off-Grid. Welcome back for another episode of Off-Grid Uncovered. It has been a while, and we have had a lot going on in the shop. We got some pretty cool builds in this episode to cover. We had a pretty cool F450 came in that we did LiquidSpring and some amp steps on. We had a Glacier Gray F550 extended cab that we did a Black Edition package that stayed in the chassis cab. We had a Black Edition F550 that got some sweet strobe light integration. We have another Black Edition F550 that's getting a Ghost Overland camera system in the truck and the camper, and a lot more. So without further ado, let's get to it. First up, we have an F450 Duy coming in for LiquidSpring suspension, amp Power Step XL install, and our onboard air package plumbing air to the wheel wells. This truck is an F550 we built into a Black Edition with a really sweet strobe kit from Wicked Warnings that also ties into factory lighting. Starting its new life as an emergency disaster response vehicle, the strobes will be sure to get some good use. this is gonna go well.
Walter, come on, come on. Grab his lower piece.
Oh, fuck.
You got his big strap.
Yeah.
There you go. There.
No! Oh my gosh, Jeremy, he is really heavy. If he falls, he's gonna break a bone.
Look how happy he is.
Oh yeah.
It straps him down and everything.
He's happy. Look, Walter. You might actually like it. He likes it. He thinks it's fun.
He likes it. We upgraded this Glacier Gray F550 with our Black Edition package, although this truck remained a chassis cab with no pickup bed, in prep for a custom camper install. This truck also came with a pretty cool factory PTO, and we also installed our sound deadening package. Switching up the vibe a little bit here, we created an elegant little sequence showing our teardown process for a Ram 5500 before we begin the Black Edition outfit. We have a Bigfoot truck camper in the shop that'll be going on our client's truck we're currently building. The camper is here to integrate a pretty cool camera and security system from Ghost Overland.
So we've installed the Ghost Overland camera system here today. We've installed them on the mirror, side view mirror here to get one of our 8 camera views. As you can see here, it's a pretty in-depth process as far as installing these in the mirror. We cut a hole in the side, route the wires behind the skeleton structure of the mirror in here, and we'll actually end up running wires through the whole frame with the factory harness to make sure that there's no pinching or catching and that all of the functions of the mirror are going to continue to work as they did from the factory.
All right, guys, thanks for following along. Another behind the scenes look at everything going down here at EOG. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon for notifications every time we upload a new video. a very happy holidays and happy new year to everybody. And for those who have been asking about the tan bedliner truck, keep an eye out. That video is coming soon. We'll see you on the next one.